Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DIY Murphy bed is probably one of the most space-saving and rewarding DIY projects you can undertake, transforming a small room into a multifunctional space, perfect for apartments, studios, or guest rooms. This video will guide you through the process of building your own Murphy bed, from selecting the right materials to the final assembly, ensuring you create a sturdy and stylish piece of furniture that seamlessly blends with your home decor. Number 5. Create-A-Bed Queen Murphy Bed. It's built to last a lifetime. For over 35 years, we've been crafting high-quality Murphy beds using American-made steel and expertise. You can trust it to stand the test of time. With detailed instructions and helpful videos, assembling this bed is a breeze. We've included everything you need for a smooth and straightforward build process. Clear diagrams and cut sheets make it simple. It's proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty. Major hotel chains trust it. Now it's your turn to experience the quality and durability. When closed, it measures 87 to 18 x 65 to 78 w x 15 to 78 d, and when open, it's 87 deep. Perfect for any queen-sized mattress. Remember, you'll need to supply your own lumber and queen-sized mattress, up to 60 w x 80 l x 6 to 12 h. Everything else is included in the kit. What we like. This Murphy bed is made of high-quality American steel, ensuring its durability and longevity. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you value quality and long-term investment, this is the perfect choice for your home. What people say. The plans were fantastic, and as long as you follow them and make precise cuts, you should have no problems during assembly. The hardware itself is rock solid, and I ended up with a piece of furniture I really like. From the very first step to the last, the directions are fantastic. Number 4. Queen Murphy Bed Hardware Kit. This kit provides everything you need to build your own custom queen-size Murphy bed. It's a simple, space-saving solution for any guest room or small apartment. We use only the highest quality American-made gas pistons and a patented pivot system. This ensures a smooth, reliable operation for years to come. Detailed instructions, including videos, make assembly a breeze. You'll have your new Murphy bed built in no time. Building your own Murphy bed saves you money compared to buying a pre-assembled one. It also provides a stylish and efficient way to maximize your space. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty on all hardware. Plus, our US-based customer support team is always ready to assist you. Remember to purchase your lumber and basic woodworking tools separately. You'll also need a queen mattress that fits within the specified dimensions. What we like. This kit includes professional-grade hardware for a smooth and easy assembly process. The included instructions and top-rated customer support make building your Murphy bed a breeze. If you're looking for a DIY project with excellent support, this kit is for you. What people say. The hardware that comes in this kit is solid. The lift pistons, pivot plates, screws, etc. are solid. They are high quality, and I have no doubt in my mind that will last for hundreds if not thousands of cycles. The instructions are extremely clear. It comes with 3 booklets. First booklet is what cuts to make, second is instructions to assemble different pieces, and third is final mounting. The dimensions are exact, the instructions are very clear, and overall everything is well written. This is a very nice DIY kit if you are thinking about building your own Murphy bed. The pistons are high quality, and when the bed was fully assembled, it took about 40 pounds to hold the bed down. About the weight of the mattress. The directions are thorough with good photographs, and the instructional video is helpful too. Number 3. Bestar Per Full Murphy Bed. It's a full-size Murphy bed that folds away into a cabinet, saving space in any room. Ideal for guest rooms, home offices, or even a home gym, it's perfect for maximizing your space. This wall bed features a dual-mount mechanism for stability and durability. It accommodates most standard full mattresses and has a smooth, easy-to-use dual-piston system. The flexible slats provide comfortable mattress support. Simply pull the handles and flip the support leg down to use it. It's easy to operate and perfect for small spaces. It has been designed and tested to exceed safety standards. Rigorous testing ensures it's safe for use in any living space. It's also backed by a 10-year warranty. For safe installation, professional installation is recommended. 2 people are needed for assembly, and it requires attachment to wall studs or masonry. Please read the instructions carefully before use. What we like. It's perfect for maximizing space in smaller homes. The dual mount mechanism ensures stability and durability. If you need a space-saving solution that's both sturdy and comfortable, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a well-designed product and works well. It requires shipment in 4 very large and heavy boxes. The assembly instructions are excellent, and come in several languages. Packaging was well engineered, and there is a lot of it, and there were no damaged pieces. Instructions take some studying and contemplation matching up the pictures to the parts, but everything went together perfectly and I had no alignment problems. Everything was included, nothing missing. The delivery service was excellent and communicated all info about delivery. It is not a high-end furniture piece, but is a good solid unit and the bed pulls down nicely. Number 2. Bestar Nebula Murphy Bed. This queen-sized Murphy bed is perfect for maximizing space in smaller rooms. It folds away neatly into a cabinet, giving you the flexibility to transform your room throughout the day. Ideal for guest rooms, home offices, or even home gyms, it seamlessly transitions from a comfortable bed to a functional wall unit. Enjoy the space during the day and a restful night's sleep. A dual piston system makes opening and closing it effortless. Simply pull the handles and it smoothly folds down, ready for a comfortable night's sleep. It's built with a durable steel frame and engineered wood, providing stability and long-lasting use. The dual mount mechanism ensures secure attachment to both the wall and floor. The flexible slats provide comfortable support, conforming to your body's curves. It's designed for nightly use and accommodates most standard queen mattresses. It's made with high-quality materials and is backed by a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. Professional installation is recommended for safety and stability. What we like. This Murphy bed offers a versatile solution for any room. The smooth dual piston system makes opening and closing effortless. If you prioritize smooth operation and a sturdy frame, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The instructions are very clear and well documented. On each page it also includes sequence numbers so that you put it together in the right order. Everything was very well packaged. The bed is incredibly sturdy and well mounted to the wall. The hardware that came with it was quite good. Number 1. Bestar Nebula Murphy Bed. It's a full-size Murphy bed that folds away into a cabinet, saving you valuable floor space. Ideal for guest rooms, home offices, or even a home gym, it transforms your room from day to night. This space-saving bed is designed for stability and durability. The dual mount mechanism attaches to both the wall and floor, ensuring a secure and reliable setup. It accommodates most standard full mattresses. It features flexible slats that provide comfortable support. Simply pull the handles and flip the support leg down to use it. Remember to leave 30 to 36 inches of clearance around it when open. Your safety is our priority. It has been designed and tested to exceed safety standards. It's built to last, backed by a 10-year warranty. Professional installation is recommended for safety. 2 people are needed for assembly. Ensure proper attachment to wall and floor studs. Do not use it for children or pets under 50 pounds. What we like. This Murphy bed is perfect for maximizing space in smaller homes. The smooth dual piston system makes opening and closing effortless. If you prioritize smooth operation and a sturdy frame, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Bestar is great about scheduling the shipment so that you can confirm there is no damage. All of the parts were in the package, no screws missing. Fitment of all of the parts was great. Fits my full mattress with sheets and a topper. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.